We got some breaking news on a treatment for COVID-19, and Meg Terrell joins us right now with more. Meg.
Hey, Andrew. Gilead out with some new results on its drug Remdesivir for COVID-19. This is pretty much standard of care for hospitalized patients with COVID now, but they actually looked at it in patients newly diagnosed who are at high risk of severe disease, similar to that setting we see for the monoclonal antibodies. And what they found is when they give this drug by IV administration for 3 days, it reduces the risk of hospitalization by 87%. They said they also saw an 81% reduction in medical visits a month after giving the treatment compared with placebo. So guys, it'll be really interesting to see if this gets used in this setting. Of course, the monoclonal antibodies have seen massive increase in use as we've seen that surge in cases across the South. But this is 3 days of IV treatment, so it's not as easy as going in once for an IV infusion or a subcutaneous injection. So guys, Gilead, they're up less than 0.5% on this news.
Meg, that was part of my question with it, because Remdesivir is the drug that you really have to start right away to have the best reaction to it. So it stops before you build up so many, so before the virus can replicate quite as much. And that's a tricky question. Who wants to sign up when they're not really that sick yet? If you're asymptomatic or just lightly symptomatic, who wants to sign up to say, yes, I'm going to go get 3 days of an IV infusion in a hospital or a hospital-like setting?
Yeah, that is the question. How long will it take? How easy will it be to do that? We have seen the monoclonal antibodies really start to get used. I mean, 6 times more in this most recent surge, as the southern states have really prioritized making them more accessible. And now we're even starting to hear about controlled distribution by the government, some governors complaining that they're getting rations of these drugs. So if there is a need for another drug, will Gilead's Remdesivir be able to fill that need? Of course, it would need to get clearance for that from the FDA. It's not clear where it would fit in the paradigm right now.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.